Good morning all. So in today's class we will see a few more problems on parabola. So the first question is find the equation of parabola with focus AB and directrix x by A plus y by B equal to 1. So if you take any point xy on the parabola, that will be at an equal distance from the focus and the directrix. So we will compare both the distances. So for this we will take xy to be a point on the parabola. ഇങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ focus എന്നും directrix എന്നും അത് equidistant ആയിരിക്കും. So distance from xy to focus is root of x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square, and distance from the point AB to the line, point xy to the line will be x by a plus y by b minus 1 by root of 1 by coefficients in the square varum 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So this is the shortest distance between the point xy and the line. Now squaring on both sides, you will get x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to x by a plus y by b minus 1 whole square by 1 by a square plus b square. Multiply 1 by a square plus b square on both sides. So that will give us this equation. The simplify cheyumbo these terms will cancel out. X square by a square, y square by b square, 1 cancel out, and 2x by a, 2y by b cancel out. Simplify cheyumbo. So remaining, so take the product. Product എടുത്തിട്ട് common ആയിട്ടുള്ള terms cancel ചെയ്യുക. So this is what you will get at the end. Y square by a square minus 2by by a square plus b square by a square plus x square by b square minus 2ax by b square plus a square by b square plus 1 minus 2xy by ab. അപ്പം ഈ മൂന്ന് ടേംസും കമ്പൈൻ ചെയ്താൽ you will get a perfect square. Y square by a square, x square by b square and minus 2xy by a. So that will give us a perfect square, and the remaining you will have these terms. Any common denominator edukka. So the first term will become ax minus by whole square by a square b square. Then upon taking the common denominator, a square by b square will be the common denominator. So you will get ax minus by whole square minus 2b cube y minus 2a cube x plus a raised to 4 varum plus b raised to 4 plus a square b square equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the parabola. The next question is, show that the equation of parabola whose focus is minus 1, 3 and vertex is 4, 3 is y square plus 20x minus 6y minus 71 equal to 0. So let us draw the vertex and focus first. അപ്പം നമ്മൾ vertex 4, 3 ആണ്. vertex 4, 3 and focus is minus 1, 3. അപ്പോൾ this is the axis of parabola. Parabolയുടെ axis എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് y equal to 3 ആണ്. Okay, so it is parallel to the x-axis. So vertex ഇതും focus ഈ point ആണെങ്കിൽ your parabola must open towards the left. കാരണം focus അകത്തായിരിക്കും വരിക. So this is the shape of your parabola. Now if you take the original parabola, നമ്മൾക്ക് ഇത് vertex 0, 0 യിലുള്ള parabola ആണ്. That is shifted to vertex 4, 3. ഇനി the equation of original parabola will be y square equal to minus 4ax formula ആയിരിക്കും. and a യുടെ value എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, so if you look at the distance between 4 3 and minus 1 3, അപ്പം x ആക്സിസിലെ ഇതിന്റെ തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് വരിക x equal to 5 ആയിരിക്കും. So if you have a parabola which is having vertex at 0 0 and which is opening towards the left and 0 0 യിലാണെങ്കിൽ അതിന്റെ ഫോക്കസ് വരിക -5 0 യിലായിരിക്കും. ഡയറക്ട്രിക്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് x equal to 5 ആയിരിക്കും. സോ പരാബോള ഷിഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുന്നേ അതിന്റെ ഇക്വേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് y square equal to -4 into 5x ആണ്. And now what happens is it is shifted to 4 and 3. So x will be replaced by x minus 3 and y will be replaced, x will be replaced by x minus 4 and y will be replaced by y minus 3. Okay, so this is the underlying parabola. So that is y square minus 4 into 5x. Now it is shifted to 4 3. So y minus 3 substitute x minus 4 കൊടുക്കുക. That will be the required equation of the parabola. So you will get y square minus 6y plus 9, then minus 20x plus 80. So that will give us y square plus 20x minus 6y minus 71 equal to 0. So that is the required equation of the parabola. Now the next problem is, for what point on the parabola y square equal to 18x is the ordinate equal to 3 times the abscissa. Now by ordinate you mean that is a y coordinate. So if you have a point x and y, the value x is called the abscissa and the corresponding y value corresponding to the x is called its ordinate. So we want to find a point such that ordinate is 3 times of the abscissa. So we want to find a point on the parabola y square equal to 18x such that y is equal to 3x. So we have the condition y equal to 3x. So the condition parabola substitute ചെയ്ത് point ഏതാണെന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. Okay, so when you substitute y equal to 3x, that will give us 3x whole square equal to 18x. So which is 9x square minus 18x equal to 0. So that will give us x equal to 0 and 2. 0 is not the required solution because 0 is a trivial solution of this equation. Y equal to 3x, so 0 0 will satisfy the equation. So we want to find a non-zero x such that y is equal to 3x. So the required value of x is 2. So when x is 2, y will be equal to 6. So the required point is 0.26.